We're starting a new project today, and I think we can get this project done in one day, so fingers crossed we can get it done. I'm gonna be adding some string lights and some planters in my backyard. I'm just gonna get everything ready, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do first. These are the planters that I got, and then I got 2-gallon buckets. I'm gonna put the PVC pipe in here. Well, first I'm gonna cut it. Then I'm gonna put it in here and put concrete in here. And this will go in here. That way I can reuse these planters if I want for like later down the road. Now I'm gonna put these in here. So I used the whole bag. It was 50 pounds and they're about half full. Concrete's done. It says it takes about like 40 minutes to set. So I'm just gonna go over a sander and just roughly sand this. I'm gonna use about 220 just so it's smooth and doesn't give us splinters. Got these little hooks. I'm going to put these on the very top so I can hang the lights from that. Okay, we're gonna have to pre-drill the holes. Perfect. The cement is now dry, so we can move on to the next step. We are going to drill holes into these planters because when there's water in there, we need a way out. It says to drill it right here in the middle, but I'm actually gonna drill it on the side because the buckets are gonna go in the middle. These are the lights that I got. Oh, please, stupid beast. We're gonna have to do this a different day. It's a few days later. We're gonna try this again. I got another bag of concrete and I got 2 bags of soil, so hopefully that will do the trick. My kids are outside. They are gonna color some rocks so we can add it in the little planters. Not you?
I am.
You are? Okay, thank you guys. So let's get started. Oh, this is so heavy.
Flower dust?
No, it's concrete.
Why?
Because I need these to be heavy.
Where am I at?
See, I think that's not gonna
Where
work. Oh my goodness! It's still so loose. Alright, we're gonna try it.
Bubble!
You got a bubble?
Yeah!
I have a feeling this isn't gonna work just because of a lot of different things. First of all, the planters are really small at the bottom and I don't think they're very sturdy. And then when I put the 2-gallon bucket in, they kind of wobble already, so I'm only gonna try 2 at a time. I'm gonna see if I can get them to hang up there, but I don't think they're gonna work out and I'm really sad. It's already starting to lean. No.
There's so much more going.
So it's starting to work out, but we're running into another issue. My patio is just too small for these lights, so I don't know what to do. I'm considering just scrapping the whole thing and just getting these posts that go into the ground from Amazon, and then I could space them out more. So with these planters, they have to be on a flat surface, so if I get those posts, I can kind of spread it more out in the yard. I don't know what to do. Let me show you. So this is what it's looking like. I haven't even done this one yet because I know it's just not gonna work out. You can see there's just so much slack and it just looks kind of tacky. So I don't know what to do. This is take number 3 This is our third attempt at these lights. We're gonna try something different because the planters did not work out. I got these like poles that you stick into the ground for oh, stupid bumblebee. That's Bumpy. We call him Bumpy, the bumblebee, because he just like bumps into you. Ooh! Those carpenter bees, I do not like them. I know they can't sting you, but they're so big. Anyway, I got these like poles that stick into the ground. We're gonna try that. It did just rain a ton, so I don't know if I should do this now or wait, but we're gonna do it now. And if this doesn't work out, I'm not meant to have lights out here. That's just what I'm gonna tell myself, so fingers crossed this works out. Oopsie. Well, I just broke the box, so these are the tops. Okay, there we go. Ah! Stupid bumblebee! Okay, I'm gonna take these inside and put them together because I just can't with the bumblebee. These were super easy to install. You literally just screw them together. So, fingers crossed. I hope these work out. I think I'm gonna put the first one right here. Going right there. I'm gonna do that one last just because I don't know where it's gonna go with my black stone. I might have to move it. Alright, let's put the lights out and see. Oh my goodness. 10 hours later. For real. Okay, it looks good, it looks good. So they definitely need to be higher, so I'm gonna add one more extension onto them. We'll try this again. Okay, it's working. Alright, one more. I think we'll go right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, now we're gonna have to play around with the strings. So this is what we're working with. So I think I'm gonna leave them up for right now. I'm gonna talk to my husband, see if he likes them, and then if he does, I'm gonna hammer them more into the ground so they're more sturdy. Right now they're kind of leaning and I don't really like that, but I think if they're more into the ground, it'll be better. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching.